everybody. Today I would like to talk about my book. It came out on Amazon December 1st, but I was sick, so I had to wait a little bit. And yesterday I celebrated my birthday. So now I have time today to get through this video. I have a new book, which is a kid's book, 3 to 6 years old. It's gonna be up on my other pages other than my author's page. It's gonna be up on my spiritual healing page because there is a story behind it, how I actually came up with the book. I see stuff in my dreams before I wake. So, that's where most of my gifts lie, and I do see it sometimes when I do wake up of certain stuff that happens. Sorry, if I have issues with little words, I'm still healing from a mini stroke, so some words are a little bit not there. Like, I try to say it, but I can't say it, like, it doesn't form correctly in words. But I'm still healing from that, so, okay, now let's get on with the book. How it actually became to be. I dreamed about Steve Irwin, and he was showing me the book, and I wasn't too sure what type of animal it was. And then throughout the day at work, I was thinking, what animal should it be? What animal should it be? And then I seen a video on Instagram of a red panda that Robert Irwin posted. And I'm like, oh, okay, let me do a red panda. And then from that, I'm like, okay, I'll work on the red panda. It took me 3 edits of the book until I actually changed it. And then when I got it to the illustrator, he wanted to put a hat on the red panda, and I'm like, no. I pushed back against. I'm like, okay, and then I'm like, okay, yes. He put a green hat on the panda, and I'm like, okay, and then it was probably a day later or 2 days later. I don't remember because it was like 2 months ago. And then I seen a video. I don't know if it was on YouTube. I don't know if it was on Instagram. I'm not 100% sure. But it showed a video of Robert's dad putting a hat on him, and it was a green hat. It's the same color hat, which is really crazy. So that just gave me more clarification that it was. And this book does, out of my profits for each book that is sold, it does go back to the Australian Zoo, for the hospital. So I would like to help the hospital. So half my profit for each book is sold on Amazon. I'll show you what the book looks like. This is the first book series. I may have 5 in the book series, but I'm still working on my second one. It's about Kit. It's about Kit that moves to Vermont. I really love the illustrations, and it's an interactive book. So it does help with kids' decision-making skills, which when I was growing up, I didn't have that. And I know it doesn't look like it, but I am 32 years old. Yeah, back in the 90s and previous, we didn't have these types of books. And kids should have an opportunity to be a part of the story. Help, learn about these beautiful pandas. Even though it's a fictional book, pandas are in danger. It helps the pandas, the red pandas, because maybe that will spark an inspiration for them to help the pandas when they grow up. They're beautiful animals. I would love to see them in person one day. But I don't know if I went to a zoo and see them one time. I can't remember because I haven't been there in a zoo in so long because of COVID. But I hope you buy it on Amazon. I'll post a link below. If you have Prime, you'll probably get it early on Amazon. But this is just gonna be a paperback book. It's not gonna be a Kindle book, because I rather a kid having a physical book than looking at a screen all the time. So that's the thing on that. And my spirit guides, like, no. And I decided personally too, I'm like, no, it's just gonna be a paperback book and we're just gonna leave it at that. And I'll just show you the last page of the book. Okay. Look how beautiful the illustration is. Thank you.